How to design a modern polygon logo design. First, take a line segment tool and draw a line. Copy the line by holding Alt for more copy. Hold Ctrl and pressing D. Take 5 lines. Now copy the all lines. For that, go to Edit and select Copy and go to Edit and select Paste. In place, now rotate it. Select the line and draw at 3 points. Again this line and upward it 3 points. Do the same for those lines. Okay, that's rotate it. Okay, now take polygon tool and draw a polygon. Rotate the polygon. Now place the polygon over the lines. Equal the polygon to the lines up and down. Now curve the polygon like that. Okay, that's good. Select all and take shape builder tool. Draw like that. Watch carefully. How do I draw over this? Now select the polygon and move it from lines. Select the polygon and off the stroke of polygon. Now we make the logo colorful. Okay, that's fine. Have a look.